If you look at the mirror, guess what you'll see? It's your reflection. Now look at your reflection at the back of the spoon, and there's you, but bulgy. And if you flip the spoon, you're upside down. But how does it work? A mirror portrays an image by reflecting all lights equally. The smoothness of the surface is a factor for reflecting. Smooth surface reflect light equally, while the rough surface scatters it. There are two types of mirrors, plane mirrors and curved mirrors. Plane mirrors are mirrors that have a flat surface. They reflect an image that is clear and undistorted. Meanwhile, curved mirrors are mirrors that have a consistent curve, basically a sphere-shaped mirror. There are two types of curved mirrors. These are concave and convex mirrors. Concave mirrors are curved mirrors in which the reflecting surface is curved inwards. Example of concave mirrors is the front of the spoon. Reflection on concave mirrors are often upside down. But how? Graphically, when light touches a surface of a concave mirror, the light gets reflected opposed on the original position. This top light was reflected downwards, while the bottom light was reflected upwards, which is why the reflection is upside down, or in proper term, inverted. To prove the inversion mathematically, we'll use the magnification formula. And since the result is negative, it is indeed inverted. If the object is closer to the mirror than the focus, the reflection is not inverted. We can prove this by using again the magnification formula. The result is positive, hence it is not inverted. Convex mirrors are curved mirrors where the reflective surface light out towards the light source. Examples of this are magnifying glass, car mirrors, and the back of the spoon. Reflections in this kind of mirror appear to be larger and bulgy. But how? Unlike concave mirrors, the convex focus is behind the mirror. Thus, the reflected rays are reflected back away from the focus, making the reflection to appear larger or bulgy.